Big news from YouTube. They've just rolled out a brand new feature that can automatically dub your videos into other languages, yes, with voice, not just subtitles. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact settings you need to enable to start using YouTube's auto-dubbing feature. So, once you're on your channel, here's what you need to do. Step 1, go to YouTube Studio. Step 2, click on Settings in the left sidebar. Step 3, now click on Upload Defaults. Step 4, inside that, open the Advanced Settings tab. This section controls the default options for every new video you upload. Scroll down a bit, and now you'll see a new option called Automatic Dubbing. This is where the magic happens. Just make sure the box next to Allow Automatic Dubbing is checked. Once you do this, YouTube will start creating voiceovers of your videos in other languages. By default, YouTube also recommends checking manually review dubs before publishing. That means you get to listen to the dubs before they go live, super helpful. Below that, you'll see two options. Review dubs in all languages. Review dubs in experimental languages, recommended by YouTube. It's better to choose the second one, since experimental languages are more likely to have errors in translation. This way, you can double-check everything before your viewers hear it. And remember, this isn't just subtitles. YouTube will actually generate spoken voiceovers in other languages using AI. That's it for now. Hope this helps you reach a global audience effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube updates and tips.